just removed my inlet tube from my Volant system because for another project I'm going to be insulating this tube to see if I can reduce inlet air temperatures. But what I want to point out, I've got this oil catch can set up in here, and you can see that this throttle body looks brand new, looks completely clean. Not a single bit of oil residue in there. That's great news. So this tells you that these oil catch cans really work. The oil catch can that I sell, it's on the passenger side of the vehicle, tapped into the PCV. It definitely removes the oil from the intake and will definitely improve the performance of the vehicle.